highlight for today, guys, is going to be simple. When you're looking for an entry and you're looking for a confirmation or a qualification of an entry, it's always important to know if you think that, let's say, for instance, this market could break out here because you built yourself a box in a pattern and you say in this circle here, they could break them out. It's always helpful to know and watch other correlated markets. So just after 9 Central, in our friend the NASDAQ, you don't have to trade the NASDAQ to watch it. The NASDAQ likes to break out a lot. It's a thin market, and it likes to find reasons to shake out shorts, shake out longs. Now, first of all, the NQ today was noticeably stronger than the other indexes. That's an important part to know when there's other markets that correlate to yours, if they're stronger or weaker. Secondly is build a box, if there is one, around the correlation. And there was, going into 9 o'clock, an opportunity that above the box, there could be buy stops, which gets shorts to get shook out. Remember, shorts are buyers, and shorts who puke a losing position, they generally do it with what? Buy stops. So your job, my job, our job as traders is to say, where could there be obvious buy stops that are placed? If it's something that's obvious to a fifth grader, it's probably obvious to most of the rest of the world. So if anybody who's short in here might think above this box because of all these swing highs in here, shorts could say, I'm going to puke above there. And then you get them sometimes to follow through and chase. So if you could tag an instance where there's a short face, what do I mean by face? Shorts that are short when their faces look like this, they're cross-eyed with a frown. That's the beginning of them looking like this with some stitches. So if you're looking to get long in one market and you see that you can get shorts that look like this in another market that correlates with yours, it can give you a little push and timing, better timing, which is what trading is all about. Always working on your timing to execute good locations. Subscribe to this channel as we continue to get closer to 1,000, and we'll start doing some live videos. But stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.